If you're in the underground electric industry or you do fiber optic cable pulls, you know how hard and time consuming it is getting a large and expensive puller trailer positioned directly over the conduit. It requires a lot of space, but now there's a better way. You can cut your pulling time from hours to minutes. The innovative Willy Winch does the job faster, safer, and with a much less difficult setup. That's what makes it a real game changer for the cable pulling market. First, it's portable, weighing only 67 pounds, and it takes just 30 minutes to get going. That's because all you need is one hole drilled in the side of your bucket. After the initial mounting, it only takes about 2 minutes to install or remove it. Winch speed is 250 feet a minute, and over 2,000 pounds of torque can be recorded on the Willy Winch's optional sensor node device. Operation is simple and straightforward. You can wrap mule tape around the capstan for shorter pulls like 400 feet, or use a preferred half-inch cloth-covered nylon rope for longer pulls, as shown in our instructional videos. An extension arm is also available to pull service into a meter box, a feature that greatly increases the unit's productivity. We include all the hardware you need. Depending on your specific requirements, some equipment requires longer hydraulic lines. In just 1.5 years, we've been serving the cable pulling market. The Willy Winch has truly revolutionized how things are done. Where time is money and you want the job done easily, quickly, safely, and as efficiently as possible, it's always on time and on budget. The Willy Winch, an underground utility solution for exceptional results.